Hi everyone, Mike Stuccino, Master Herbalist here with Z Natural Foods. And I'm here today to discuss our second of our top 5 food picks for a happy and healthy new year. But before we get started, we got to go through our normal health disclaimer. The information you're about to receive is for educational purposes only, is not intended to treat, prescribe, or diagnose any general or specific medical conditions, and is not intended to be a replacement for your primary healthcare provider's diagnosis, treatment protocol, or medical information. With that said, let's get started. So, our numero duso pick, that's number 2, pick is a mixed berry powder. Unless you've been living under a rock for the last 20 years, you have some idea about the highly nourishing qualities of berries. Modern research confirms the importance of adding a variety of foods with bright, vibrant colors that contain a wide range of what are known as polyphenolic compounds to support the repair process from damage caused by stress, helping to create a more balanced internal environment. Therefore, it should come as no surprise to you that these nutritional powerhouses that contain a wide variety of unique compounds are known for their deep, rich, and vibrant colors may profoundly affect human health. But to understand the benefits of combining a wide range of berries, whether fresh or as a freeze-dried powder, it is essential to first discuss the understanding and concept of synergy. The primary principle behind synergy is understanding that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. When applying this concept to foods like berries, it's essential to know that the potent compounds in various berries have a broader spectrum and nourishing effect than any individual compound within that mixture. When eaten as a whole food matrix, no particular compound works alone as an individual entity. Therefore, it is very reasonable to conclude that combining a wide array of berries will provide more potent nourishment than consuming a single standardized version of any individual berry. While each berry possesses unique qualities and compounds for various health purposes, they all fall under, at some level, 4 general categories of plant compound: polyphenols, flavonoids, flavanols, and anthocyanins. These 4 categories of plant compounds are the primary reason why we should consume a wide array of berries. These various classes of compounds are what create the powerful healing effects that berries provide to us. Powdered or fresh, are there benefits to consuming a mixed berry powder? You bet there are. The idea that we can't replace fresh food with a berry to nourish our bodies is simply untrue. There are many significant advantages to using powders, especially berries. While there are many natural ways to dry foods and preserve their nutritional qualities, including low temperature, shade drying, air drying, sun drying, and freeze drying, the quality of the raw material predominantly determines the final end product. Ultimately, preserving the incredible nourishing qualities found in berries is best obtained through the freeze drying process. There are 3 primary advantages to using a freeze drying method. Number 1 is freeze drying creates the closest end product when presenting a whole food complex. Number 2, freeze drying a food presents the closest smell, texture, and taste of the fresh version of that food. And number 3, freeze drying allows you to customize your needs when creating an end product for yourself. And freeze drying berries can be left whole, chopped or milled into a powder, which gives you a greater versatility for creating products, whether it's for the market or for yourselves as an individual. Because berries tend to perish quicker than most foods, this method preserves their structure and integrity and significantly extends their shelf life. The shelf life of any food or product is directly linked to its moisture content. A freeze-dried berry product has an average of only 3% or less of moisture content. So freeze drying allows for greater versatility of the end product due to more accessible storage options and blending capability, and supports the natural flavor profile of the fresh berry. Finally, suggestions for how to use freeze-dried berry powders on a daily basis. Sure, you can buy a bunch of individual berry powders and make your own blend, but Z Natural Foods has two really great unique products: our Super 8 Berry Blend and our Essential Reds, which are tasty, convenient, and versatile ways to get those powerful berries into your daily diet. These berry powders not only bring up the nourishment level of any food they are added to, but they also support a wide range of flavor profiles, which tends to their versatility. So, simply adding a tablespoon to a smoothie, sparkling water, or hot cereal in the morning are all easy ways to get your berries on. I will tell you all, folks, that of many of the Z Natural Foods products, the Super 8 Berry Blend is one of my absolute favorite products, which I use on a daily basis. So there you go. There's a recommendation from a master herbalist for you. So I will see you guys next time when we discuss our next food on that top 5 food pick for a happy and healthy new year. Mike Stuccino, master herbalist with Z Natural Foods, signing out. I'll see you next time.